I wanted to comment on a few things the professor said. One was to always use the full path name in your scripts that you submit on the Hill server, because, for example, if I were to try to run this script from my local directory, because Urantia is not in my local directory, it won't be able to find it. See? I get a file not found error. So make sure you have, sorry, what did I do there? Control Z. Make sure you have the full path name. Okay, in your file. So when I run that, I get an answer. That seems reasonable. And if you look at this code, there's nothing actually wrong with the code. But you do always want to inspect your information. So what is actually in unique words? So one way I can do that is, instead of just launching the program, I can say -i ur.py. -i, this flag, tells the interpreter to run the program but exit into the interpreter. So now I'm in an environment where it's really easy for me to inspect. So I can just see what's in unique words. And this is going to be a big set. And immediately I could see things like there are these odd looking numbers, there are something called DEF. I'm not really sure if that should be a word. I see a lot of words that end in punctuation. Flux, executives, comma. I've seen words that start with a parentheses. So these are issues for you to think through as you determine how many words you really think are in this book. Anyways, I hope that is helpful.